Hello my dear students, welcome to our J Prep channel. Hope all of you are doing well as usual. Now today we will study how to plot a point in a plane and also on the axis. Let's start it. Now as we know that we have x-axis and y-axis, there are two perpendicular lines. The horizontal line is known as the x-axis, while the vertical reference line is known as the y-axis. Now this is x-axis completely, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now this is the origin, the point of intersection of this perpendicular line is the origin. Now this side we have all positive numbers, so therefore we will call this as the plus x-axis, while this side we have all negative numbers, so that is minus x-axis. This is plus y-axis and this is minus y-axis. This is what we have studied at the previous video. Now we are going to study how to plot a point. Now I want to plot this point, point A. Then how will I find the coordinates of point A? It is very simple. What we have to do, we have to draw perpendicular from point A to x-axis. This is the perpendicular from point A to x-axis. Then this value of x, that is x equal to plus 6, is the x coordinate of point A. Same way, we have to draw perpendicular to y-axis from this point A. Then what is the value of y here? The value of y is plus 3. So this is the y coordinate of point A. Now here when I draw the perpendicular to x-axis from point A, I got x equal to plus 6. So what do you mean by this? That this distance is x equal to 6. That means this distance of point A from the y-axis is 6. Therefore, x coordinate is 6. X coordinate is 6. So this is the x coordinate, and the x coordinate is also known as abscissa. X coordinate is also known as the abscissa. Now I have drawn the perpendicular from point A to y-axis. Now this perpendicular meet y-axis at 3. And this is the y coordinate. Then this is the y coordinate. Y is equal to plus 3. This means point A is at a distance 3 centimeter from the x-axis. So y coordinate is 3. Y coordinate is 3. And this y coordinate is also known as the ordinate. Y coordinate is also known as the ordinate. So this is the way to plot a point in a plane. That means from the location of that point, draw perpendicular to x-axis. Just see where does the perpendicular meet x-axis, that is the x coordinate. Now from the location of that point A, draw the perpendicular to y-axis. This perpendicular will meet y-axis somewhere. Then that point is the y coordinate. Here in this example, the perpendicular has met at 3, y equal to 3. So y coordinate is 3. Hence, the coordinates of this point A are 6, 3. Coordinates of point A are 6, 3. Now suppose we are given coordinates of one point. Say point, there is a point B, x coordinate is say minus 5, while y coordinate is 2. That means coordinates of point B are minus 5, 2. Then how to plot this point? Now here there is an x is equal to minus 5. So we have to search minus 5 on x-axis. Now minus 5 on x-axis is here. This is x is equal to minus 5. So from this point, draw the perpendicular to x-axis. So I will draw perpendicular to x-axis. So the perpendicular is this. This is the perpendicular. Okay. Now what is the y coordinate? Is 2. Y coordinate is 2. So now I have to locate y equal to 2 on y-axis. So then you have to draw the perpendicular to y-axis. So this is y is equal to 2. So hence this is the point B minus 5 comma 2. B minus 5 comma 2. So this way you can locate a given point, you can plot a given point. Also then how to plot a point on the axis. Suppose we have given point C. We have given point C plus 5 comma 0. When it is plus 5 comma 0, that means here x is equal to plus 5 and y is equal to 0. Now here y is equal to 0, that means point is on x axis. Point is on x axis. So therefore, now x is equal to 5 here. So therefore, this is the point C whose x coordinate is plus 5 while y coordinate is 0. Remember that whenever y coordinate of a point is 0, that means point is on x axis, and whenever x coordinate of a point is 0, point is on y axis. So always remember, for a point on x axis y is 0, and for a point on y axis x is 0. I hope all of you understood how to plot a point on the plane and also on the axis. Thank you.